In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted database in Phpmyadmin. Whether you're managing a personal project or overseeing a business website, losing a database can be a critical event. But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, log into your Phpmyadmin account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. This is your main hub for managing websites and databases. From here, locate and click on the Hosting tab at the top of the dashboard. This will display all of your hosted websites and their associated settings. Next, find the website whose database you need to restore. Click on Manage, usually found next to the website's name. After you've clicked Manage, the control panel for that specific website will open up, providing you with an array of tools and options to configure your site. In the control panel, look for the Databases section. This might require scrolling down just a bit. In this section, you'll see an option labeled with a name such as Database Backups or Restore. Click on this option to proceed. In the Backup menu, you'll find a list of all available backups. These are categorized by date, so you can see when each backup was created. It's important to select a date that was prior to when the database was deleted. Choosing the correct backup ensures that you restore the most accurate version of your database. Take a moment to consider which backup is the best fit for your needs. Once you've settled on the appropriate backup, click on the Restore button next to it. Phpmyadmin will then prompt you for confirmation since this action will replace the current database setup. Take a deep breath, double-check your selection, and proceed with the confirmation if you're sure. The restoration process will begin, and depending on the size of your database, this might take a few moments. It's crucial to let the process run its course uninterrupted to avoid any data inconsistencies. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming that the database has been successfully restored. To ensure everything is back to normal, navigate back to your website and verify that all data is intact and functioning as expected. Take the time to test any critical functionalities that tie into the database, as this will give you peace of mind and confirm that the restoration was successful. Remember, prevention is key, so scheduling regular database backups can ease the pain of any future incidents. And there you have it, a complete guide to restoring your deleted database in Phpmyadmin. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.